Michael Saylor and Fong Li are keeping me extra busy with all these 8K filings this Monday. Well, let's dive in. Strategy just announced two brand new ATM programs this morning, $21 billion for MSTR common stock and another $21 billion for the STRC preferred. That's $42 billion in fresh capital earmarked to raise money to buy Bitcoin that was filed today. Oh, and they also bought another 1,031 Bitcoin. But honestly, the ATM news is the story. Let's get into it. This filing is a capital markets filing. Strategy is expanding and restructuring how it raises money, adding new brokers, new capacity, and critically, shifting its weight between its preferred stock instruments. Here's what happened. Move 1. Three new sales agents just joined Strategy's omnibus sales agreement. Moelis & Company, Alliance Global Partners, and StoneX Financial. That brings the total broker network to around 19 firms. Morgan Stanley, Barclays, Cantor Fitzgerald. The list reads like a who's who of institutional capital markets. Strategy is not messing around when it comes to distribution capacity. And move 2, this is the new ATM at the market capacity that was registered across 3 securities. $21 billion in new MSTR common stock capacity was added as expected. $21 billion in new STRC capacity. And here's where it gets interesting. Move 3, stretch authorized shares just quadrupled from 70 million to 282 million. That's 4 times an increase in a single filing. Meanwhile, STRK, the fixed 8% with a common stock convertibility preferred equity, had its authorized shares cut from 270 million down to 40 million. And the prior STRK ATM offering was terminated effective yesterday. They're not just adding capacity, they're rotating it. So what does this mean? STRC is the variable rate preferred, and here's the key. It's designed to do the opposite of what you might expect. It targets a stable $100 peg, strips away Bitcoin's volatility, and pays monthly dividends at an 11.5% yield. It's Bitcoin treasury exposure without the price swings, income-focused, stable value by design. And the market has responded. Stretch has already hit $5 billion in notional value in just 8 months. That's not a niche product anymore. That's a category. Strategy quadrupling its ability to issue Stretch while simultaneously winding down Strike reinforces that Stretch is the crown jewel sucking up all the preferred equity capital. They raised over $1 billion in the past couple weeks. There's a massive market for a Bitcoin-backed instrument that behaves more like a stable income product, and today's filing is them building the infrastructure to meet that demand at scale. STRC has been dubbed Strategy's iPhone moment, and it's hard to disagree as it's trading billions per week and maintaining its peg. The 21 billion Stretch ATM tells you everything you need to know where Saylor's capital raising is focused heading into quarter 2. This is the machinery that enables the Bitcoin buys. And with some 40,000 Bitcoin purchased in the last 3 weeks, it's clear they're not going to slow down. When Strategy wants to go on offense, this is how it loads the gun. We'll keep tracking it here at bitcointreasuries.net. If you want the data behind the treasury, supply, holdings, MNAV, it's all live at the site. The link is in the description, and I'll see you next Monday. And don't forget to stay orange.